Hi and welcome to another video. It's gonna be a Dolls Kill haul. I'm saying it's a haul, it's just for one item, but I thought it made it sound better than it is. The reflection in my glasses is from my vanity mirror, so that makes me look a little bit crazy, but just ignore that. I tried doing my hair perfect, didn't work. It just became this thing, this messy thing, but it's okay. We're gonna work with what we've got. We're gonna be opening the Dolls Kill package. Now this is the first time I've actually ordered from Dolls Kill. Like, I've never ordered from them before, so this is gonna be like a first impression as well. The clothing that you saw in my Halloween video, I wasn't gonna order it, but then I saw it and then I was tempted, and then I thought, oh, this looks really, really nice. And it was on offer as well, so it wasn't actually too badly priced. Tried to kind of hide my chaotic mess that's in the background. So fingers crossed it stays that way. So yeah, this is the package that came. It's pretty different. Put my hand on my address. Don't want everyone to know where I live. Do we need scissors with this? Yes, we do need scissors with this. So I'm gonna be right back and go get some scissors. Okay, I'm back with scissors. The smallest ones I've ever seen, but hopefully they should do the trick. Oops. I didn't go into anything, I swear. My videos are so chaotic, I'm sorry. I'm kind of excited about this because I've never ordered anything from them, so I have no idea what the packaging and things are going to be like inside. So this is new. Ooh, okay. Oh, that is so cool! Here it is. In this like little pink packaging. That's kind of cute. I like that. So it comes in nice packaging. Like, I like the combination of like the pink packaging and the black packaging. I think it looks really nice. Oh. Okay, so I'm trying to get this all in frame. But this is pretty awesome. Like, I'm really impressed. It looks really cool. I mean, the image is really nice. But don't worry if you can't really see it that well. I'm going to be trying this on anyway. This is the front of it. And then this is the back. Ooh. If I could get this right. My video is just so hilarious. This is probably why I will never be sponsored by Dolls Kill, but it's content. Anyway, ooh. So I got a little bit of tissue paper, so I'll just put that over there. So like I said with the first piece, the top, the print is really, really good. Like I was saying before, which I'm going to say again, usually when you get printed stuff, it can be like faded and not as clear as it is in the photographs that you look at. So I'm impressed with that, but these are seriously cool. I kind of feel like if I go back any further, I may fall off my chair, so, but I'll try and show you as much as I can. I think it's really well made, so it's a bonus. Especially for like the price of it as well, because I think I might put a little video clip of like me purchasing it in the corner, but I think it was like £12 for the top, I think, and then it was like 13 £13 maybe for like the jogging pants. But yeah, you'll probably see the prices when I put the video down the corner there. Oh right, so these jogging pants have got a kind of fleece inside, which is good. It's funny because when I looked at the images online, the jogging pants kind of look like they'd be quite sort of like silky thinnish material, a little bit like these, like the material that the top's made from, but they're actually not. They're quite thick, which I'm quite surprised about, but in a good way. I'm gonna show me trying this on now. So as you guys can see, I'm just trying the like set
on. It was really super comfortable. It was really nice to wear, and the images on the clothing looked absolutely gorgeous. As you can see, I kind of put it in like the classic YouTube frame. Ignore the tag that I totally forgot to take off while I was trying this on. But yeah, as I was saying, I put it in like the classic YouTube frame to try and get kind of like the clothing in the whole shot. But I was kind of struggling a little bit, so I decided to do like a little bit of a longer clip, like yeah, so like I made my screen a bit longer to see show you guys like a little bit more of kind of like the whole outfit, because like I said, filming it was extremely difficult. But yeah, these are the boots as well, just showing the boots there that I was wearing with this outfit, which made it like super awesome. And yeah, I'm kind of like showing you guys a little bit more of the trousers, pants I mean. But yeah, it was an amazing outfit and I was super happy with my product. So yeah.